I think that my mom is a huge grounding factor in my life. Overtly critical person with myself. I still remember when I didn't get into Yale. It was like the world had crumbled. So I think the older I'm becoming, the more I'm understanding that it's important to firstly just be. आप कब सेलिब्रेट करोगे? केदारनाथ हिट हो गई, शायद मैंने वो भी सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया, आप जरा हटके की बात कर रहे हो. Been that person कि चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी होती हैं तो उसको सेलिब्रेट ज़्यादा नहीं करती हैं. This is not a good thing. And I'm going to change this about myself. Everything that I admired in her, I found tiny fractions of those things in me. Like spirit, like the need to derive your strength from your own self. For the need to be able to say, you know what, if this is wrong, and I'm not going to stand by it anymore. I am becoming this person. I think patriotism for me today is just being grateful to be living in a free, democratic, sovereign republic. Like the unsung and celebrated heroes that have given up their lives and livelihoods to be able to give us what we take for granted on a daily basis.
Audition for parts?
I would. In fact, in the office that we're standing in, somebody asked me the other day that would you be open to audition? And you're playing a... I definitely don't think I know anybody in my personal life as... I don't even know if aware is the right word, but as strong and inspirational as Usha Mehta. But at the age of 20, I was trying to finish a 4-year college degree in 3 years so I can come and start acting. So I was doing my own bit also. Because I think that there's no right time for a jump. You know, when you feel like... And this just happened. I didn't know when I started shooting Avatan that Zara Hatke would be a hit. You know, like you don't know these things. One thing doesn't have to be a cause and effect of the other. All you have to do is, I think, have faith and do honest and good work. And I'm just decided to put my head down and just keep working, practice just gratitude and just be better than I was yesterday. I think that my mom is a huge grounding factor in my life. But I also know that bachpan se hi I've been a very overtly critical person with myself. I still remember when I didn't get into Yale. It was like the world had crumbled. And when I got into Columbia, it was like, oh, by the way, I'm going to Columbia. So I've always kind of been that person कि चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी होती हैं तो उसको celebrate ज़्यादा नहीं करती हैं. This is not a good thing. And I'm going to change this about myself. I have celebrated the trailer of Avatan, Mere Vatan already. So I am now trying to change that. A little bit of celebration, a little bit of self-love is important and necessary. I don't think I do that enough. I wasn't. I need to be more gentle because I really am not. I think it changes the way you look at your life because you understand that there is only one life and you fully know what that means. Like when I think of the fact that I've been an actor for 5 years, it is insane to me that I'm an actor and I've been one for 5. Every opportunity counts. So I think the older I'm becoming, the more I'm understanding that it's important to firstly just be. आप कब सेलिब्रेट करोगे? केदारनाथ हिट हो गई, शायद मैंने वो भी सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया, आप जरा हटके की बात कर रहे हो. So now comes the time to actually embrace, accept and honor who you are in the moment. Then the next moment will take care of itself. Where am I going?
Yourself.
People keep asking me, what is your aim? मकसद क्या था? Honest बताओ, मकसद ये था कि मैं एक्टर बन जाऊँ. तो शायद मकसद हासिल हो गया है. Now am I done and am I content? No. I want to keep going, which I will. But you can keep going with the feeling of triumph also. It doesn't only have to be all the time, you know. There's been a lot of self-work, I think. There's been a lot of time to reflect. There's been a lot of time to prioritize. There's been a good amount of meditation. There's been a lot of gratitude. There's been acceptance. I think maybe I'm accepting who I am for the first time fully. Today is the first time I've given an entire day of interviews without any jokes, without any शायरी, which is fine. Like, those are also good only. मेरी शायरी हो गई थी सुबह जब जल गई. Instagram पे लगा दिया, आज ही क्यों हुआ वो? But it doesn't only have to be that. I don't have to box myself. I don't have to limit myself. I'm enjoying self-liberation for the first time. Everything that I admired in her, I found tiny fractions of those things in me. Like confidence, like the need to keep going, like spirit, like the need to derive your strength from your own self. For the need to be able to say, you know what, if this is wrong, and I'm not going to stand by it anymore. I used to not be this person. I am becoming this person. I think patriotism for me today is just being grateful to be living in a free, democratic, sovereign republic. Like, and genuine gratitude to all the unsung and celebrated heroes that have given up their lives and livelihoods to be able to give us what we take for granted on a daily basis. That is patriotism for me, and I think that patriotism for somebody like Usha was just the epitome. देश प्रेम से अपने आप को ऐसा भर दो कि किसी और प्रेम के लिए जगह ना रहे, is what Gandhi ji said to her. I don't think I've been a victim of that though, because I mean, if you think about it, Atrangi Re was different from Gaslight, which was different from Zara Hatke, which is different from Murder Mubarak, which is different from Evatan.
Exactly.
So it's been not a conscious effort, it's been a conscious prayer and just a lucky effect that I haven't actually been boxed. And it's just my endeavor to make sure that that doesn't happen. What does happen sometimes is because I'm bubbly or fun or spirited, people find it difficult to take me seriously. That is actually a problem that sometimes I face. But as far as being boxed in films is concerned, if people like this film, people accept me in this film, and people like Murder Mubarak and they accept me in Murder Mubarak, then times ahead for me are going to be very different, I think. वो हो जाएगा अगर होना है. I have to learn now. I have to grow. Because लोग तो उनका नज़रिया I can't control. They might like it, they might not like it. Do I feel victorious at the end of the day? And the only way I will is if I do eclectic, different, constantly growing, learning, unlearning. अगर ये process बंद हो गया तो मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ फिर? I would. In fact, in the office that we're standing in, somebody asked me the other day that would you be open to audition? And of course I would. They're not trying to test you. They can watch the 10 films of yours that I've released. That's not the point. The point of the audition is to see, do you fit that part? And there has to be humility in that. Just for fun. And then I went for scene work with people that are all aspiring actors. And nobody at all treated me like, oh my God, this is the Chakachak girl. Oh my God, Aankh Mare. Nothing. I was Sara and I was doing scene work with them like they were doing it with each other. I'm really grateful for that opportunity. I definitely think so. I think that whether it's my grandmother, whether it's my mother, when they use words like goosebumps, रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, तो लगता है कि यार कुछ तो सही किया होगा. What is Sara looking for? No. I think peace. Peace and that's it. We do. We do. I think just gratitude in all that we have. And finding yourself. I think what I'm looking for is just myself. I've run around enough. There's a lot here that needs to be dealt with.